We are going to start off by talking about art and photography. Do you like art?
That's interesting. Depends on what. I like cinema. For instance, movies, music, but I don't know too much about paintings or modern art. I'm not too familiar with. So it depends on what kind of art.
Do you like to take photographs?
Yes. I wouldn't say the photographs are good. But I do enjoy taking pictures.
Do you prefer to take photos of yourself? Or other things of other things?
It's kind of hard to take pictures of yourself unless it's a selfie, and that's limited. So pictures of other things mostly.
Now let's talk about animals. Do you like animals?
I love animals. Land animals friendly. So to speak, animals. Not insects and not anything from the ocean.
What is your favorite animal?
Probably a dog. Dogs, for obvious reasons. You can keep them as pets. In terms of like non-domesticated animals, probably jaguars.
Do you have any animals in your home as pets?
Yes, I have 2 dogs. They are both from the shelter. The animal shelter that rescues. I've always had pets. Our family really likes keeping animals around.
Now let's talk about bags. What type of bags do you like?
I prefer purse that are a little bit on the larger side. Just because I like to put everything of my life in my purse. So it ends up weighing maybe 20 kilos. Yeah, larger bags, probably structured, larger bags.
How often do you carry a bag when you go out?
Every day. I think that's the case for most women. I think they carry a bag. Even if you go down to the grocery or the supermarket. You take your bag with you usually, right?
What sort of bags do women like to buy?
It depends. It depends on your outfit. It depends on where you're going. For the day. If you're going to the office, you probably want something bigger that can fit your laptop, your phone, paperwork, everything that you might need during the day. If it's nighttime, you'd want something smaller. Like a clutch, something more sleek, elegant. So it depends. If you're traveling, you'd want a much bigger bag that's able to fit not just you, but all of your family's stuff as well, so everything. Women like all kinds of bags. That's why we have so many of them.
Now let's talk about birthdays. What did you usually do on your birthday when you were a child?
So when I was a child, in school we had a uniform. Everybody wore a uniform to school. So when it was your birthday, it was the one day of the year that you were allowed to wear whatever you wanted. So it was a big deal. I mean, at least I would pick out my outfit 2 months in advance. It would be like a little dress, like a princessy frock. Matching shoes, matching accessories for your hair. Then you would take some kind of chocolate or candy to school, and then you could take like a period off and go and give the candy out to other teachers and other kids in the school. And we looked forward to it every year. It was the highlight to get to not have to wear the uniform, to wear whatever you wanted. And to basically be able to skip class and go out. Hand out chocolates because it's your birthday.
How do you normally celebrate your birthday now?
Very differently. Everyone's allowed to wear whatever they want now. So it's kind of not, it doesn't have the same charm. It depends. I like to do a little dinner with my friends, something low-key. I'm not a very big party person. So dinner is usually good. Followed by probably like a games night or movie night at home. Or at the cinema, something low-key.
Do you think it's important to give someone a card on their birthday?
Like a handwritten, like a birthday card. I think so. Yes, because I'm quite sentimental and emotional. So I prefer more emotional, sentimental gifts. I think if someone takes the time to write something by hand for you, I think that. I mean, I hold on to stuff like that, so I think it's a very nice, thoughtful present to give someone on their birthday.
Thank you for watching Miss English.